What's up, YouTube? This is your boy iPadOS coming back to you guys with another video. You see it, iOS right there. Apple just got done with their WWDC. Actually, there's a lot of stuff that's going on. Actually, I'm just going to touch on the main features I was looking for and what I like to see in iOS 14. And actually, I'm going to put some up here. One thing I like to do on my channel. One thing I like to do on my channel is I talk about cars, tech, and vlogs. And anything you can name of, pretty much my hobbies. And one thing I want to do, I want to say thank you to you guys. I'm giving away for the 1,000 subscribers. And actually, if you look up, or it might be in any one of these corners, the first person get it. This is my first giveaway, so stay tuned. I'm gonna be doing more off the week of the few weeks going. Once we hit our 5,000 platform. I am going to be doing one thing. I'll be giving away $500. No, maybe something else. But guys, leave a comment below what I should give away. But one thing, I do got a special thing when I'll be doing a giveaway. But stay tuned for that video. Make sure you hit the bell notification, hit that like button, so I could tell you guys, so you will never miss an opportunity to miss what I just put up there. And so, who the first person get it? Leave a comment below, say I got it. And team hashtag tech, ICH3 tech, team tech. That's what you hashtag. And stay tuned. I want to say thank you guys for reaching me 1,000. We are going to our plateau. Let's keep going. More giveaways I'm gonna be doing. And guys, this channel, I'm basically trying to do a lot of giveaways for you because that's what I like to do. I'm a person that like to give back to people. So let's get right into it. iOS 14. They got major features, and there's one thing I'm gonna give probably into this. So you leave a comment below, tell me what was your best features that you see on this iOS 14. If you didn't watch the full video, you could go back and go on apples.com and see the keynote. Or if you see what you see here, what I have here, then you tell me the key features that you like on it and leave a comment below. And also, let's go right into it. So one of the things they did in iOS 14 that I've seen is making widgets. This is the one thing I do like about this, widgets. I'm actually going to try to put myself up in the corner so you guys can see more on there. So I'm going to be throwing myself up here. So give me a second. I know I could have did this off camera, but I'm straight raw with this. So I'm going to put myself up here. So down there, they have, the redesigned widget showing more information on the home screen. That's one thing I do like because it reminds me of my Samsung S20 Ultra, where I could do a lot of things and put my widgets and making my apps the way I want it. Actually, I'm glad that Apple did it. I know a lot of people will be like, oh, well, Apple should have did it a long time ago. Android been doing it for years. Yeah, but Apple like to make sure stuff works. Don't get me wrong, Android work perfect, but if you get a certain phone that is, them widgets is not going to work properly, your phone's going to skip, you're going to do all that stuff. So the reason why Samsung works so great is more RAM. They do multitasking. And one thing I'm going to say on iOS, when they get iPhone 12, it's going to have a lot more RAM to be able to handle these widgets and handle the multitasking that is happening here. So let me get right into it. So you go create a library, basically all your apps in there, so you don't have to have all these apps and have all these rows of apps on your phone. So that's basically like what I do on my phone to keep it real. I have tons of apps. I know I'm just gonna probably, let me see if it, so tons of app in a row. So creating this widget is gonna make it easier for me to make folders and put everything where I want it and everything else like that. So I'm redesigning that. So you can optimize your organize your applications. You actually got now where you can text and got your messages right there. They got new emojis that you give. You get stickers emojis. And also they have Apple app chip that helps you handle faster with tap. So basically when you go to a place and you see, hey, like this water or something like that, and you wanted to go there and go to that store and you could pay from your Apple phone, or you could just tap. And that's one of the things that's going to get into the new technology is Apple Tap and Android Tap. So that's one of the things. So iPadOS, it got its text features. I'm actually going to throw up platform of all the things that on here too. Also, like all the features. They'd be towards the end, so I'm gonna just drop that in there for you guys. And also, one thing I know I'm getting in the middle of this, but what y'all like about the new thing here, showing that Twitter, Instagram. Oh wait, this at Instagram, Twitter, and YouTube. And this is the channel right here, and this is gonna be on the new merch. Oh, stay tuned for that. New merch is gonna be coming. And this is where you could get the link. This is how you get to me, and actually it's right there in both. So this is going to be on my new streaming platform, so tell me if you like this. But let's get back into the show. New features, basically you text, and you could just actually use the Apple Pencil, and it goes straight to regular text instead of this, you're scribbling or you're writing. Actually got more features on copying and pasting and hardware and notes, and access more apps and into the single view. So that's one thing that's good. Not too much change on iOS 14 with that because they mainly got a lot of things they did already on it. But actually, one thing I did see, we actually want to see a quick preview real quick of it. I just got right into it to say quick preview. So see all the features. And maps also got changed too. They actually revamped maps. So we're going to get back to that. They revamped that. So macOS, if you look at macOS, it did dumb down to almost being like the iPad. So pretty much Apple is going to be doing their own chip starting this year Mac. So any Mac going forward, if they make any beginning of the year for 2 years platforms, they are not using Intel or they're not using AMD anymore. They're using their own platform chips. So stay tuned for that. Actually, that's going to be amazing. I'm going to show that too on the end so you see all that features that you see. They are going to be doing that. So as soon as I be able to update this, I will be doing reviews on my apps for iOS 14. And then I'm going to do stuff on here because I'm going to download this software to put on my Mac Pro. So I could just give you a screenshot of how it works and how it's going. But first when you first start off, a little bit bugs. So stay tuned that. Safari is a little different. You can do a lot more stuff on Safari. Chatting, still a little different. Maps, like I said before, Maps is going to be a little different. iOS Watch, that's actually going to be really awesome. What they're going to be doing to the iOS Watch, you got a little bit more features, not a big lot, but a little bit more features that you have on there. So that's one of the things they got on there. And actually, I'm just going to this because I could do a slideshow and do all this, but I'm actually going to do it raw like I normally do it. So tell me if you like it this way or you want me to just, talk about it and bring pictures in. So you guys leave a comment below on that. But I just brought this box in here so you guys can see the new platform of the box that we're going to have on there. So that's basically a breakdown on that. The new chip that they got going on is actually amazing. That new chip, it's going to be amazing what Apple's going to do with that new chip. And that's one thing I'm going to like about it. But you guys leave a comment below. Tell me what y'all think. Do y'all like the new platform? Do y'all like what's going on with Apple's doing to the new software? Do you like where they're going with their company? I'm sorry, I know I'm talking and trying to do multiple things at the same time. So I'm just putting myself back in here. There we go. So do you guys like the way Apple's going to go forward with their platform, doing their own chips for their phones all the way down to the platform, and the Mac, the iMacs, watches, everything? Do y'all think that's a good idea? To me, I feel like it is because they always been making their own chip. Not own chip, but they've been always making a chip. And like getting to this platform where they're going to make their own. Actually, it's amazing because you could see what they could do with their technology. And their technology that has been amazing ever since they grew from 2007 to now. It's amazing how what their technology went to. But you guys like, comment, subscribe. And like I said before in the beginning, if you missed out on that, sorry about that. I am doing more. So stay tuned. Always hit that bell notification and see when my videos come up because you might be missing the opportunity to get that same thing I just put up in the beginning of the video. But like, comment, subscribe, and I'm going to put basically at the what the features and everything is from iOS to iPad and Mac. I'm going to do movie features on that, so if you want to see a little bit more on that. But this is just a quick rundown, me explaining to iOS 14 and the features and the things that I would like to see. So coming to widgets is coming to Apple, and that's one thing I've been looking for and one thing I like to see, and I cannot wait to be able to download the beta for this. so I can use it. But right now, I think everyone is downloading it, trying to download it, so it actually won't let me get to download it. I think it will let me download it now. So I'm going to do that right now, see if it let me do it. Software. They're having difficulties on their thing. So I'll be able to download this and get the software for it and be able to play with it. But you guys like, comment, subscribe, and I'll catch you on the next video. And there's more content that'll be coming. I just wanted to give a quick one. And thank you for watching, and subscribe. And also the giveaway for the iPad. So if you're the people that giveaway for the new PS5, if you're the guys that was watch this video and you supported me and on this video, on a platform for the PS5 and watching my channel, don't forget to leave a comment below on that giveaway, because once they announce and say what we could do and what's going on and the price and also the day they launching, I am picking up 2 copies of that. And also Xbox users, stay tuned, because I'm actually going to do that too. So once we reach the 5,000 platform, I am going to be giving that away also. But for right now, I'm giving away the PS4, 5, So don't forget to go look at that video. I'm going to leave that link below, or I'm going to leave it in a box. Don't forget to watch that video and leave a comment below, because if you miss out, I'm sorry. You probably get on the next round of the PS5. But Xbox user, stay tuned for that video, and I will be launching that video very soon to tell you guys how to get in and enter that. So thank you for watching. Big up to you guys, and thank you for hitting me to 1,000 subscribers. And like I said in the beginning of the video, you should have seen something up there. So if you see it, don't forget to leave a comment, say you got it, and thank you for watching. And I'll catch you on the next video. And this was just a quick one. I'm gonna be doing more reviews. Catch you on the next one. Peace.